It's morning. Time to play in the rain. Look at the puddles. 1, 2, 3. Almost there. Yay, I did it.
Here you go, my dears. Eat up now.
Yummy.
Good.
You're making a mess, dear.
More soup.
Here's your soup, dear.
Ah, looks wonderful. Made it just for you. Thank you, my love.
This is so cozy, isn't it?
It certainly is. Perfect with this tea. Delicious. Couldn't agree more.
This tea is lovely.
I'm drawing a rainbow.
It's beautiful, dear.
This tea is perfect for a rainy day.
It's so warm.
I'm glad, dear.
Me too.